Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the door gasket on your dishwasher. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll need to open the door up completely. And then basically all we need to do is to grasp one end of that door gasket at the bottom and just peel it away from the metal channel that it fits in. And just take note of how that gasket is fitted into that channel. The outer edge of it will have a soft lip on it that will face towards the center of the dishwasher. So just peel it out all the way around. Once you've removed it, you'll next want to clean out that channel of any debris. And some of these may have been glued in place, so you'll want to remove any of that old adhesive as well. Now before we install the new gasket, our first step will be to find the center point of it. So just take the two ends, mate them together, and without stretching the gasket, just find the center point. Then just make a mark on the outside edge of it to show you where that center point will be. Now when installing the gasket, we'll look carefully at the end profile of it. And you'll note the softer edge versus an arrowhead shaped component that would fit into that groove. So this will be the part that fits into the tub. This will be the part that's exposed, and we want that soft edge to face into the center of the tub. So this would be our left-hand side. So rotate that around till you find your center point. Line the center up with the latch. And then press it into that channel. And we'll want to work our way from the center down both sides, taking care not to stretch that gasket as we press it into place. Now, as we work our way into the top corners, again, we'll make sure that we don't stretch that gasket any. That may cause a potential leak if we shorten that up. And there is plenty of length. Now, if you do find a spot that is fairly tight fitting, you can also just moisten that arrowhead shaped portion of the gasket, just with a little bit of water or some liquid dish detergent, just a small amount to lessen the friction and allow it to slide in easier. Then just verify that that gasket is pressed in firmly all the way around, all three sides. Make sure the bottom for each end is tucked into place. And just close the door up. Check the operation of the latch. You may find that initially it'll be fairly snug. If it won't latch, do a closer inspection and look for any portions of that gasket that may still be not seated properly. Now, once we have it all seated properly, we can close the door up and your repair is complete.